everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video of how to make a fluffy pom-pom. So you want to start out with two C-shaped pieces of cardboard right there, as you can see. Then you put them together and then you start wrapping the yarn around it, just as much as you think would be enough. And then you take your scissors and you want to cut in between the two pieces of cardboard. So then, as you can see, I'm cutting it here. And just want to keep your hands kind of in that middle part so it doesn't fall out of that open C part. Then you want to take a piece of long yarn here and then just stick it in between the two pieces again and then tie it off. I would double knot it. I didn't double knot it, so you see me struggling to double knot it in the next section here. And then you can take the C shapes out, and I'm just double knotting it. You should do it before you take the C shapes out, but you can do it either way. And there you go. It's a fluffy ball. And then you can just trim it, the extras and the long ends there. I'm actually using this for a Hmong hat I'm making. The Hmong hat is the one with the fin in the front. So then I've already made the hat. So all you do now is take the string and you put it down through that hole in the top. And then I am going to actually stitch it down on each side. I'm going to divide it and then stitch it down. That's how I've seen hats made, so then that's what I'm going to do. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps some of you guys.